Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create storybook for kids using Canva. So basically you're gonna have to simply open Canva and search for storybook, and now here we're gonna have different templates to use. So simply click on any of these, then click on customize this template, and as you can see most of them they're gonna have a lot of pages, and you can simply start editing. So you can change the text, you can double click, you can remove objects from here, or if you want you can upload your own images or search for images from Canva, and then you're gonna have to simply create your book. And if you want to add more pages, simply click on this add page and then simply start adding. Now after you finish, click on share and then click on download, and then you're gonna have to choose PDF or PDF print. So this is best for printing if you want to print your book, and click on download, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.